Introducing GreenGrafX, picture the world without plastic. Hey, it's Riley here to talk a little bit about a very exciting development from your friends at Zeal called GreenGrafX photo paper. I know what you're thinking, there's nothing green about photo paper. Well, you would be correct in that assumption, until now. Zeal is proud to introduce the world's first plastic-free, 100% recyclable photo paper, made in Germany and FSC certified. For the first time in photo printing history, GreenGrafX allow you to have a sustainable solution to creating beautiful, vibrant art that meets all your ESG needs. We'd love to start the conversation with you on how GreenGrafX can help you reimagine your approach to sustainable photo printing and welcome you to talk with your local Zeal distributor or visit zeal.com for more information. Of course, any questions, just give us a call or send an email and we're happy to chat.